Shadow.
Shadow effects.
Mastering typography effects in Adobe Illustrator.
I am Humaira Laique.
I've got a new art tutorial for you. My channel name is HLGRAPHICS. Let's conquer the world of graphics.
Let's start our tutorial. First, we will take a word. The word I have used here is shadow. The font I am using here is called Lobster, and it's absolutely free to download. Lobster is a stunningly beautiful font that is easy to access and perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your designs. I inform you about fonts in each of my tutorials. And I mostly use free fonts, which are also very elegant and look great. Set the font to create outlines. And then right-click the mouse and ungroup. Thus we will have it become an object. Align it. The color of the text will turn pink. Then we'll take a copy of it and go into Edit. And click on Copy. Go to Edit again and click on Paste and Back. That is, we will take a copy on its back. Offset path will go later. And we'll make it thick. We will take the color of the copy in black so that you can see it clearly and it will also look beautiful. Expand it and click on Unite, thus your copy will be ready. Now we will take another copy of this black copy, below it we will hold Shift and Alt and we will take a copy with the mouse. Now we have these two copies and both will be black. Grab them both with the selection tool and go to the blend option. Click on Make An. Then we will click on Blend again. And click on Blending option. A box will appear in front of you where you can go through the specified steps until you are satisfied that the thickness you have to take has been completed. Now expand it. OK. And now click on Unite, this way the black part will be completed and you will have a perfect shade. Now we're going to take two copies of the pink layer above and color them separately. Later we can change it. Here I'm using different colors to show you. The way to get copies is the same as I showed you earlier. That is, you will go to Edit and click on Copy. And again go to Edit and click on Paste in front. Similarly, we will take another copy. I have taken the color light pink of one copy and the copy above it has taken the color purple. Now we'll move the top purple copy slightly to the side. And we'll also slide a little upwards. This way we will give a 3D look effect. When both copies are set, select the light pink and purple copies and click on Divide. Because my background color is white, I have chosen these particular shades to complement it. If your background is black or any other dark color, you can easily adjust the shades to enhance its beauty and create a harmonious design. Feel free to experiment with different colors to achieve the desired effect. Clicking on Divide will separate the two shades. Light pink and purple shades will separate. From which we will delete the purple shade by selecting it using the Magic Wand tool. And the light pink shade will be selected and grouped with the help of Magic Wand tool. And will unite. As I continue to refine this design, I've noticed a few mistakes and imperfections that need addressing. There are elements that need to be deleted and areas that require color adjustments. This process will involve some additional work and time as I carefully enhance the design. Specifically, I will be using the pen tool to fill in some colors and make precise adjustments. It's essential to dedicate ample time to this fine-tuning process to ensure the design achieves a high level of quality and uniqueness. Whether viewed up close or from a distance, the design should stand out and impress. I encourage you to also invest time in improving your designs, paying attention to details and making necessary adjustments. By doing so, you can create exceptional, visually appealing works that capture the attention and admiration of your audience. Remember, the effort you put into perfecting your design will be reflected in the final result, making it all the more rewarding. If you don't fix the design and submit it like that, it will show your work is bad and it will look like you didn't work hard at all and just rushed the job and put it away. If yes, then it will not be suitable. Where will you have to work? Typography is very hard work and you have to do it with a lot of dedication, so please work hard and improve your work and develop passion in yourself. I have worked very hard on it for many years and learned this work by myself. You can also learn it through hard work and improve your work a lot. My tutorials are also available on YouTube and many other designers are doing this. Please check out their work and follow it. Understand that you will definitely benefit. Group dark pink shades and light pink shades separately. And set on top of each other, it looks like a great effect. Up colors can be kept and changed by anyone. Thus here we have used 3 colors: light pink, dark pink and black color. It is a perfect combination and looks very beautiful. After that we will go to Photoshop and prepare its presentation. You can see it looks even more beautiful after putting it on different mockup in Photoshop. This is a great design that can be used on top of a t-shirt, can also be used on a business card, can be used on different brands, and the color combination is also very good. Adobe Illustrator allows you to create many beautiful designs with ease. It is the premier platform for graphic design, offering a range of tools and features that simplify the design process while enhancing creativity. With its intuitive interface and powerful functionalities, Illustrator enables you to develop and refine your skills, making your work both efficient and stunning. Take advantage of the various shortcuts and tools that Illustrator provides to elevate your designs to the next level. The special feature of this design is its editability. You can easily make changes in Adobe Illustrator, including modifying the color to suit your preferences. I would love to hear your thoughts on my design, so please share your comments in the comment box below. Your feedback on my work is invaluable, and I hope you'll continue to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.